Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to update the Opayo Server module to version 1.0.2 using the App Shop. Before performing the update, it's important to create a backup of the current module version. We strongly recommend backing up the following file: libcommon modules order payment sage payserver.php. This ensures that your existing configuration can be restored if necessary. Now let's install the updated version. Let's get started. Log into the admin area of your website. Go to App Shop and open the Store tab. Use the search field to locate the Opayo Server module version 1.0.2. Once you find it, click Install to begin the update process. Follow the on-screen instructions and prompts until the installation is completed successfully. Next, let's verify that the update was applied correctly. Go to Modules, select Payment, and open the Online tab. Locate the Opayo Server module in the list. Under the module description, find the ver line. The displayed version number should now be 1.0.2. confirming that the update was installed successfully. That's it. The Opayo Server module has now been updated to the latest version, helping ensure reliable and secure payment processing on your website. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.